everyone, in today's video I'm collaborating with a brand because I absolutely love the idea behind them. The brand is called Love Beauty and Planet, and they love everything beauty and stand for doing good to the planet. So the products that I'm going to use and show you guys in this video are actually one of their range of shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner is the Coconut and Mimosa Aroma Volume and Bounty Shampoo and Conditioner. The ingredients in the shampoo and conditioner are all sustainably sourced. They are made in 100% recyclable packaging, and they're also made in 100% PCR bottle. The coconut water actually used to make the shampoo and conditioner is sustainably sourced from the Philippines, and it has this amazing aroma. I love the fragrance of the shampoo and conditioner. I love how fresh it is. It literally smells like a vacation. It feels like I am in a beach vacation somewhere. The mimosa flower aroma is actually sourced from a fragrance partner in France, and it's 100% vegan. It has no parabens, no silicone. It's cruelty free as well. This shampoo and conditioner is meant for somebody with fine hair that wants volume and strength. And for me, because I work out very regularly, my hair tends to get really greasy really fast. So I've just worked out, and let me show you what my hair looks like before. Okay, so I just worked out and this is what my hair looks like before I wash it. There definitely is a lot of sweat, and there's also a lot of dry shampoo buildup from my previous working out days, and I try not to wash my hair very frequently, and the ends are definitely dry, so I do need something that is clarifying and moisturizing at the same time. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this shampoo and conditioner is going to work in my hair. So I'm going to use the shampoo first. I've just taken a little bit of the shampoo and then I've gone ahead and lathered it all over my hair, and then I used the conditioner. I applied it all over my hair. The conditioner is quite nourishing. I loved how it made my hair feel smooth and slippery without weighing it down. Usually with shampoos that have a lot of silicone, what happens is that your hair generally feels smooth, but it also weighs the hair down and there's a lot of buildup. So this is what my hair looks like after I have blow dried and styled it. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after. I actually really like the feeling. I love that it smells so nice, and I also love what the idea behind the brand is. They want their carbon footprint to be so low, it's like they didn't even exist, and that's how I think we should all strive to be. So that's everything for this video. I hope that I was able to introduce you guys to a brand whose vision aligns with yours. If you are looking for products that are sustainably sourced, vegan products made with ethically sourced ingredients, products that are made in recyclable packaging, if that's the kind of products that you're looking for, this brand has it all in terms of their shampoo and conditioner. So I'm very happy to have had the opportunity to collaborate with them and share this brand with you guys. And if you do wish to try out their products, I'm going to link it down below, and let me know if you try it. What do you think of it? Do you enjoy using it? In the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!